Hey friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we know about the USDINR important levels, targets, news, strategy. If you're interested, please subscribe our YouTube channel and connect it with the Telegram channel link in description. Here we show the USDINR important levels for tomorrow. We buy USDINR if above 72.75 and targets are 72.80 or 85. In against scenario, we sell USDINR if it's below 72.66 and the targets are 72.60 and 555. But we show the last few days USDINR open gap down opening and then after recover. In that case, if USDINR gap down opening below 72.65, we buy and the targets are 72.70 and 72.75. Thank you friends, and please one request for you. I make a video on the why USD continues fall for last few months. I pinned this video in the corner of last slide. Please share, subscribe and connect it with the Telegram channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.